Back to the basics where we have a row with two columns, equal columns. So we have simply used a simple row class, and inside that two calls with name call, class name as call. So say I set this call class to be called 2, which means that it will take two parts of these 12 parts the screen is divided into. So you can see my two columns are fixed on the left hand side. It takes the space from the left hand side, but what I have to do is I want it to take the center space, not to be on the left but on the center. The entire row I want it to be starting from the center. This blue part is the container. Okay, this is the color of the container. This is the row. So if I can show you the row, I'll try to show you the row. I'll put in some color for the row as well. Background color to be, say, forest green, right? That's the row of the color of the row. You still, so it takes the entire row. The entire row is basically green, and behind that there is blue. Okay, say I want this row to take the center space and leave the left and the right empty. So what I'll do is I'll add something called as it is called justify content, right? I'll try to add justify content center. Okay, uh, so inside of the row, after the row, I'll add justify content center. That's the one I'll use. Okay, let's refresh and see how the screen looks. So the row is still taking the entire area of the screen, but adding the columns at the center of the screen, right? Let's try and see if I add justify content end, right? We saw center, we'll see around. Let's see around, how does that work? I believe around will, it's basically dividing the whole screen into equal parts and keeping adding equal space around each column, right? So it looks like the columns are divided have divided the screen into half and taking the center space of their half. Okay, and if I change this and instead of around I use between, let's justify content space between, so it puts the columns at both ends of the row and leaves the center space empty. Okay, now if I change this to justify content um, end, so just like justify content, just like using nothing like this, it was stacking it on the left hand side. Now it will stack it on the end. Okay, so if I remove this completely, it will stack on the left hand side, and if I add justify content end, it will stack it on the right hand side. I'll save it, refresh it. Now next option is evenly. Let's look at what evenly does. Evenly works a little different than, it may look a lot like around, but even works different because it works differently because in around it was dividing the screen into two half and then taking it the center area of it, while in evenly gives equal space in between. So if this is 5 centimeter, this will be 5 centimeter, this will be 5 centimeter, and if you divide the screen by 2, then this is not at the center of the one half and this is not at the center of the second half. So it's basically adding equal space. While around, if with around, if this was 5 centimeter, this would be 10 centimeter and this would be 5 centimeter. That would be 5 centimeter from this column, 5 centimeter from this column, gives 10 centimeter in the center. Now let's look at more options. Start will work same as not putting anything, right? Let's do that also. right? It works exactly like I've done nothing. I've if even if I remove this entire line, it will work the same. So that's the default, right? And let's see if there is anything that we have left. We haven't missed out on anything. Now what is this is these are the same features with breakpoints, right? So I've put this breakpoint LG. Okay, so LG, I've put a breakpoint LG. So for screens with for large screens, it will work as justify content around, and anything below that, it won't work like justify content around. Let's reduce the screen size from large to medium. Yes, there it is. It's medium size now, and it's working like there's no justify content at all implemented on it, right? So for large screens, it is implemented. For screens smaller than large screen, it is not implemented. So similarly, if I remove this and change the breakpoint to MD, it will work for medium screens as well. So now it's working for medium screen as well. It won't work for small screen now. There's a small screen, right? So that's how the breakpoint works if I want to add any. But without the breakpoint, it works for all screens, all screen sizes, right? So that's what is justify content and all the options with justify content. See you in the next video with more things to do on a grid.